Okay, so here in Fresno we have existing stub out for an ice maker. They put a little tap T in there. It's clogged or not functioning correctly. So what we'd like to do is go ahead and pull that whole nipple out of there, put a shorter one in, and go ahead and put a new 1/2-inch iron pipe angle stop in there with a 1/4-inch outlet for a refrigerator line, braided stainless steel line to go from there to, I'm assuming, down there, a little blue stub out and then a black cap on it. So I'm guessing that's where the hose goes. So anyways, water here. Under the sink, we've got some problems here. There's no flow right now. Low to no. Barely anything trickling out of the kitchen faucet. We'd like to go is run a test right here. You have the shutoff valve, one, that one, and that one. What we'd like to do is take these two supply lines off, the hot and the cold, the black lines, take them off, put on a temporary supply line into a bucket, turn these valves on and see how much water comes out of there. If you have enough water or a pretty good flow out of these valves, it would indicate that that faucet has been installed and then some debris was blown into it and it's clogged. So you'd have to replace the faucet. So that's these two items, and then I think we're going to look at the dishwasher as well.